Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and our 5th Guppy Cross Hybrid Strain video. So this is a series of videos where we're testing breeding different strains of guppies and endlers with the goal of finding something unique and nice, and in order to create our own Guppy Endler strain. For this Guppy Cross video we took a white male Moscow Guppy and bred him with a female Metal Black Lace Guppy. And around 4 to 5 months later, these are the results, as you can see. The results weren't exactly what we were hoping for. We were kind of hoping for something like a Dalmatian guppy with the white and the black, black and white mottled guppy maybe. But we ended up with these mostly pinkish orange guppies, which my partner really likes, but I'm not too keen on myself. This is the second white Moscow cross that we've done where the offspring have turned out pinkish orange, so I'm starting to wonder if the white Moscows have a recessive dominant pinkish gene in their makeup. We have one more cross with the white Moscows in the pipeline, which is a white Moscow with blue star endlers, so hopefully they don't turn out pink as well. But if they do, this is pretty much going to be the last cross we attempt with the white Moscow strains, and we'll be moving on to our different Guppy and endless strains. So if you enjoyed this video and you could give it a thumbs up, that would really help our channel and encourage us to keep doing more and more crosses for you. Thanks for watching, guys.
Goodbye for now. Take care.